What's going on, guys? So, do you think meme coins are just hype? Well, these 5 in 2025 are proving everyone wrong, so let's dive in and check them out right now.
Alright guys, we're back talking about the 5 best meme coins that are trending right now in 2025, but before we get into the video, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence before you invest, and remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's jump right into it. So, as you may know, meme coins were once laughed at by traditional investors, myself included. I thought they were kind of a janky thing. I was like, I don't really know if these meme coins are going to be any good, right? But in 2025, many of them are showing real utility. That's right. Massive community growth as well, and surprising market performances. That's super exciting because this is another tool you can use on the crypto market, right? Today, we're going to break down the top 5 meme coins of the year. We're going to explain why they're blooming and whether they might be worth watching. So, the first one we're going to talk about is Dogecoin. And this is the original meme coin launched in 2013, guys. As a joke, now a top 10 crypto asset by market cap. It also has a lot of strong endorsements out there as well, okay? That frequently promoted by Elon Musk and integrated in X, which is formerly Twitter, in that ecosystem, okay? It also has a massive community, which is really cool. One of the largest and most loyal followings in crypto. That's right. So Dogecoin is huge right now, guys. So what is Dogecoin? You can find out right here. You can get started, check all that out. Now, it also has amazing payment use cases, which are accepted by Tesla for merch, growing real world usage right now. Very cool stuff. So why is it still number 1? Well, Dogecoin continues to be the gateway for meme coin investors, which is really cool. So guys, check out Dogecoin. I think it's great. I've been learning a lot about it myself, and as I do these videos, I'm learning more and more, and I'm really excited. And yeah, so Dogecoin is very, very cool. One of the best in 2025. Now we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, okay? All right, so here we are checking out Shiba Inu. Now, from meme coins to ecosystems, Shiba is now a serious DeFi and Metaverse project. Now, I heard about this project a while ago when I was doing other crypto videos covering meme coins, and I wasn't quite sure how Shiba Inu was going to take off, but it has. It's called SHIB or Shiba Inu, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, it has a lot of really cool information here. Now, it also has the Shibarium launch, which is a layer 2 blockchain with fast and cheap transactions. Very awesome stuff. It also has a burn mechanism, so aggressive token burns can reduce supply and add price pressure, which is really cool. So if you want to burn through them, you can do that, and you can add price pressure, which will increase the value, essentially, okay? They also have utility tokens, which include Leash and Bone, powering its broader ecosystem as well. And the future outlook for Shiba Inu is working on its own metaverse and DEX growth. Very exciting stuff. So Shiba Inu is another one that I'm excited for, or SHIB if you prefer. And you can check more information out about it on the screen there. And yeah, I recommend SHIB or Shiba Inu because it's going to be really cool. All right, so the next one we're going to talk about is the Pepe meme coin, or Pepe if you prefer. So here we are on the Pepe meme coin. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. And this has been getting a lot of new generation hype recently. And Pepe exploded in popularity in 2023 and is still riding that high momentum. A lot of people love Pepe. I've been hearing a lot about this coin and what its functionalities are. You can check them out there as well. You can look at all this cool stuff. And I really think that it's going to do well in 2025. Obviously, a lot of people are getting a little more serious behind meme coins because of their future applications, their future utility, and what they can and cannot do. So I'm pretty excited for that. You can check more out about it here on the screen. Very cool stuff. Now, it also has a lot of viral power, which is driven by meme, TikTok, and crypto Twitter as well. It also has a high return on investment for early buyers, created millionaires in weeks during its rise, okay? It also has cool exchange listings, quickly listed on major exchanges like Binance and OKX, which I think is awesome as well. So what makes it unique is its community-driven, no pre-sale, no dev tokens. So it has all those awesome features as well. So I recommend checking out Pepe as well in 2025. It should do pretty good. You could see all the information there on the website that we just went over. Everything is here that you need to know about Pepe. So now we're going to talk about Floki Inu, okay? Floki Inu is the people's cryptocurrency there, as you can see, and it started as a joke and it was named after Elon Musk's pet dog, now building real products. Interesting stuff. It also has a very serious development cycle with Floki Fi or DeFi, Floki University Education, and its own NFTs, which are launching on here as well. You can find out more about it up here. All this cool stuff there. All the information you want to know about the coin is there as well. And it also has a global marketing platform, ads on London trains, Dubai streets, and even football clubs. Yeah, that's right. It's even got ads on football clubs and stuff like that, okay? It also has a utility plus meme function, which is a rare combination that gives Floki both attention and real use. They also have a long-term vision for this coin, which is focused on onboarding new users through education and gamification, which is very cool. I recommend checking out Floki Inu as well. I hope you guys like that coin. Check it out. It should be pretty cool. Look at all these awesome statistics here, man. Very cool coin. Lots of stuff to learn on the site, as you can see there as well. So that one, Floki Inu, is going to be a good coin as well. Okay. All right. So the last coin that we're going to talk about is Bonk. So here we are with Bonk, and this is a Solana top meme coin and the first meme token to truly go viral on the Solana blockchain. And I love Solana. I've been thinking about investing in it myself. It's a very solid blockchain that seems to have a lot of financial backing and a lot of assets. You can do a lot of cool stuff with Solana as well. So Bonk is ultra fast and cheap, which leverages Solana's performance for fast, low-cost transfers. It also had a big 2025 performance, strong growth thanks to Solana's comeback this year. It also has a community-first airdrop, which initially distributed to Solana users for free, which is very interesting. I really appreciate and like that a lot about Bonk. You can join the Bonk Bark there. Very cool stuff. And they're all on these social media platforms, so you can follow them there. This is a really cool coin as well. And why is it hot right now? Well, Bonk plays a key role in reviving Solana's retail user base, okay? So these meme coins aren't just for laughs anymore, and some of them are truly turning into real ecosystems with DeFi education and even metaverse projects, okay? But remember, meme coins are highly volatile and investing in them can be very risky. So again, make sure you do your own due diligence and research before you invest in.
All right, so which meme coin are you bullish on in 2025? Drop it down in the comments and let us know. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto content. We'll see you in the next one.